Hello, Assalamualaikum. Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is doing great. And today we are going to have discussions for our last exercise, yaitu structure and written expressions yang ketiga. Ya, nah, I'd like you to take some notes, get some papers, or get your notes and pencils to write down. Ya, oke. eh sudah hafal ya, that in this part kita memilih jawaban yang terbaik, yang benar, yang sesuai dengan struktur kalimat dalam bahasa Inggris. Okay? And this part we're going to have the discussions for number 1 to 15. Ya, 1 sampai 15, especially for the part that you think it's to you challenging, bisa diulang-ulang ya. Oke, kita mulai dari nomor 1 ya. So we can identify here, subjek predikatnya sudah ada ya. Let's get some colors for this part. Yuk kita mulai dari sini, nomor 1, subjek, verb. Ya, to be adalah kata kerja yang paling mudah teridentifikasi. Ya, keyword the cubes, subjek, verb, jamak. Oke ya. Yang lain tidak ada subjek verb, tidak ada konektor, so everything is good here. Butuh hanya ada satu subjek dan satu predikat. With how di sini untuk menunjukkan proses, cara ya, diikuti dengan me to infinitive ya, how to represent. I think we are familiar with this form ya, udah familiar dengan how to ya, how to make, how to cut, how to jump, how to arrange gitu ya. Okay, so the answer we got this C. Number 2, sometimes is adverb of frequency. Jadi ini bukan subjeknya ya. Ternyata di bagian lain nggak ada subjek. Verb to infinitive ya. Nih, to place. Difficult to place. Semuanya sudah sesuai. Di sini ada adjektifnya A, B, C, D. Difficult dengan to place. All we need to have is subject predikat. Yang ada subject predikatnya lengkap adalah C dan D ya. Tapi D ada konektornya, which make this incorrect. Karena kalau ada konektor berarti harus ada klausa yang lainnya. Ya, we do not need that. Yang kita butuhkan hanya subjek dan predikat. So the answer is C. Ini subject and verb. Okay. Number 3. Okay, you know this form. Ada subjek, ini ada predikat, has verb 3 ya. Verb 3-nya run ya, run. Okay. But we need to have this. Ini ada koma, 2 koma seperti ini. So we have the appositive dalam bentuk noun. Let's have this appositive. Mana yang berbentuk noun? We don't need to have connector here. Ya, ini memang ada noun, the great modern polygraphers, tapi ada konektornya, we don't need that. Yang D ada subjek predikat, ya. Yang E, ini ada to be, ada noun, tapi ada to be-nya, we don't need this. Yang berupa noun or noun phrase hanya be, one of, ya, noun phrase. Okay, got the answer. The answer is B. Oke, nomor 4 ya. Long before children are able to speak or understand a language, comma, Ada communicate as the verb. Ini verbnya di sini ya. Communicate, predicate. So, ya. So we need to have subject di sini ya. Nah, long before blah 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 as adverb. Long before children are able to speak or understand a language, subject verb. Yang di sini subjeknya cuma yang B ya. We don't need to have connector. Nah, oke. They communicate, pas ya, communicate tidak mendapatkan in1 S, berarti subjeknya I, they, you. 5. Ini identify the predicate, verbnya, kata kerja yang mudah teridentifikasi tanpa tahu maknanya. To be ya, is. Ya, berarti subjeknya yang mana? Subjeknya ada di depannya, yaitu the setting of musicians in an orchestra. Nih, the sitting singular. Makanya to be-nya pas ya, is. The sitting of musicians in an orchestra is arranged. Kalimat pasif, to be verb 3 ya, passive voice. Passive voice to be plus verb 3. By the conductor. Dan pelakunya muncul setelah kata kerja. The sitting of musicians in an orchestra is arranged by the conductor to produce. Okay. Number 6, let's identify the verb. Jadi identify kata kerjanya. Selain to be, kata kerja yang sudah teridentifikasi adalah dalam bentuk apa ya? Selain is, am, or, dan was, were, ada has, have ya, ada has. Subjeknya mana? Subjeknya di depannya. Kita berupa noun phrase panjang sekali. The word white race to develop an affordable synthetic fuel. Ini adalah subjek. Has so far consumed. Ya, has verb 3 nih, consumed. Has consumed. Consumed what? Billions of dollars. And, nah ini ada has verb 3 and verb 3 few results ya. Has consumed billions of dollars and has yielded gitu ya. Jadi paralel. Has verb 3. Kita highlight di sini. So we have has verb 3 and verb 3. Has verb 3. Has consumed and yielded. Strukturnya sama ya. Has verb 3 object. Has verb 3 object ya. Has-nya bisa digunakan hanya sekali saja di kata kerja yang muncul pertama kali ya. Ini has so for consumed and yielded. Verb 3, verb 3. 7, please have a look at the structure ya. Dilihat lagi polanya, subject, predikat, kalau ada and, kalau memang kata kerja sebelum dan sesudah kata kerja berarti harus kata kerjanya harus dalam bentuk paralel ya, sama sejajar dalam bentuk yang sama. Oke, number 7. Kita lihat di sini A, B, C, D verb ya. Kalau kita perhatikan here in this part, ternyata subjeknya dalam bentuk noun phrase. Experiments in the photography of moving objects Oke. Mana yang paling sesuai? Oh, kalau ini headnya mana? Experiments in the photography of moving objects ya, ada preposition, right? Ada preposition berarti headnya adalah experiments. Kalau experiments kan jamak ya, kayak yang jamak yang sesuai mana? Ini yang D tentu tidak ya. So we don't use directly ing dengan subjek kalau uh, di belakangnya tidak ada kata kerja lain yang muncul setelahnya kan nggak ada. Berarti yang pasti salah adalah D. Yang C mungkin ya, C mungkin uh, ada bentuk head, yaitu bisa mau present, past bisa. Kemudian have mungkin ya, tapi we need to be careful. Meaning have ya, kemudian were sama-sama jamaknya ya, sama-sama dalam bentuk jamak. Cuman kita lihat experiments ya, itu melakukan, melaksanakan atau dilaksanakan. Kan? A and B itu menunjukkan kalimat aktif. Let's type is here active. Kalimat aktif, active voice. Yang B juga active voice. Oke. Nah, eksperimen tentunya dilakukan. Jadi kita butuh bentuk passive ya, has, have, been, verb 3. Nah, apalagi di sini kita ada bentuk maybe before 1900. Bentuk past tense ya. Oke, so the answer is C. Had been conducted. Before 1900 kan, lampau. Ya, dilakukannya tahun sebelum tahun 1900. Okay, number 8. Let's identify the verb. Subject, we've got this, the University of Georgia. Verbnya was. Nah, di tengah-tengahnya apa? Can be dalam bentuk kata positif. Or, as we can see here, ternyata itu dalam bentuk kata kerja semua. Kalau dalam bentuk kata kerja semua, kita nggak perlu subject. So, here pilihannya, kalau nggak verb 3, verb ing. Ya kan? So, this one is very simple also. Ya, kita butuh aja verb 3 tanpa tambahan apapun. So, dalam bentuk verb 3, tanpa to be ya, verb 3 or verb ing. Di sini ada a, verb 3 tanpa tambahan apapun. So let's say this verb 3 ya, past participle. The answer is a, chartered. 9. Thanks to modern irrigation ya, we've got this adverb here, comma, crops now grow. Grow is the verb, predikatnya ini ya. Kemudian crops, subjeknya. Pas ya, crops, jamak, grow-nya tidak perlu tambahan apapun. Crops now grow abundantly in areas where once ada subject and verb, yakni and a minute to check the spelling of this word. Kita buka kamus dulu. Sagebrush. Ya, di sini kita cek dulu pengucapan. We have one. Mungkin sage, benar. Sage.
Sage.
Ya, sagebrush. Subject, cacti and sagebrush could live as the verb. Oke, kalau kita menggunakan nor, of course we need to have neither, ya kan? So absolutely bukan A jawabannya. Uh, not the, juga bukan. Not the cactus. No. Nah, alright. Oke, jadi nothing but, ya, where once nothing, tidak satupun, tapi nothing but cacti and brush could live. Coba perhatikan. Thanks to modern irrigation, crops now grow abundantly in areas where once nothing, ya, but cacti and brush could live, ya. Jadi nggak ada yang bisa hidup sama sekali, tapi hanya cacti and sagebrush aja. Okay, then let's identify the verb. Had. Had to infinitive, ya. Had. Some libraries as the subject. Some libraries. Some libraries have to keep as many as 20 to 30 copies of each mark. Ya. Oke, ada subjek predikat. Yuk kita cari yang sebelumnya harusnya apa ya? Oke, yang paling sesuai. Kalau yang A, of course not ya. Kali inventories, showing some libraries, no inventories. Kalau ada subjeknya, predikatnya biasa. Inventories show, boleh langsung dengan verb in. Ya, inventories show what? That show inventories juga nggak tepat. Di sini noun plus nanti jadi double subject. Showing the inventories juga nggak tepat di sini, nanti jadi juga double subject ya. So the appropriate one is C. Inventories show that, pas ya, subjek predikat, inventories show that, kemudian subjek predikat. 11. Okay, let's identify this part. The scholarly interest in perception stems largely. Nah, di sini ada verb stems. The scholarly interest in perceptions. The subject. Scholarly interest. Headnya interestnya verb. Nah, ini verbnya, verb S ya, karena interestnya singular interest stems largely from questions about what, about the sources and validity of what, ya. Di sini what berfungsi sebagai juga as subject ya, of what is known as human knowledge ya. Jadi nggak perlu pakai it lagi. Jadi nanti double ya. Kalau langsung C kurang to be ya. Jangan langsung dekat dengan verb 3. Oke. Kalau to be is human knowledge known ya. Harus to be langsung dekat dengan verb 3-nya. Is known as human knowledge. B. Ya, ini juga kolokasi ya. Is known as ya. Diketahui sebagai, is known as. Ini apa, kolokasi juga ya. What is known as. Sama seperti study how to ya. Ini ada pola di situ. How to, what, how to. So this what is noun. Okay. 12. They have long recognized as the subject and verb. Nih, have, ya kan? Have verb 3. Subjeknya di depannya. They. Because of the content ini, ya, this is as a noun phrase. This is as the adverb ya. Because of noun phrase-nya the alleged constant exposure bla bla bla. Ya, karena because of diikuti noun or noun phrase. They have long recognized. Kalau yang A, we don't need the conjunctions. Ya, nggak perlu conjunctions ini. So this one is incorrect. Body needs fat. Nanti double subject variable predikat kan. They, subject, have recognized predikat. Subject predikat berurutan tanpa conjunction. D is incorrect. How fat the body needs juga tidak tepat ya. Okay, recognize what we need to have recognize object ya. Have long recognized, we have this indikatornya the. They have long recognized the body's need for fat. Okay, front phrase tepat di sini ya. Ya. Recognize the body's need for fat. Okay, 13. Almost economies, all economies agree, subject and verb. Almost all economies, verbnya agree. Agree that, ya kita cari. Agree that, almost all nations agree. Agree apa? That, subject verb, that nations game. Ya. Connector that, nations as the subject, and gain as the verb. Ini double line for the verb. Okay, 14. The development blah blah blah. The development of mechanical timepieces. Subject. Spurred. Verb. Objek ya. The search for. Di sini ada more accurate than sundials. More accurately than sundials. Ya, belum tidak membutuhkan karena ini bukan membandingkan development dengan sundials-nya ya. Jadi yang ada then-nya jangan dipilih. Okay, search for more accurate sundials. Kenapa? Karena sundials for object ya. To search, the search for, we need to have noun. Nah, more accurate sundials, jadi accurate-nya untuk menjelaskan sundials ya. Adjektif yang digunakan untuk menjelaskan sundials-nya. For apa? For more accurate sundials. For object, noun, sundials. Okay, last, number 15. Anthropology is a science, is as the kata kerja, anthropology as a subject, is what? A science. Kemudian ada subject verb lagi, anthropologists use. Okay, so the appropriate one here is anthropology is a science in that anthropologists in that ya ada subject verb kemudian objek yang paling tepat adalah A. Kalau yang C gimana? Is a science that anthropologists use. Biasanya anthropologists use. That's it. Ya, titik. Atau anthropologists use for ini subjek predikat. Kalau in this context, ya anthropologists use a renanana. We need to have this in that connector. Ya. Or sometimes we use in that itu sebagai sinonimnya because. So that kalau kita pakai that anthropologists use for, that anthropologists use to gitu. Kalau bentuknya seperti ini, we need to have in that connector or because subject verb. Okay, that's it. Yeah, that's it for this discussion, everyone. Bisa diulang-ulang bagi ini yang mungkin belum paham ya di nomor-nomor yang masih salah. Please do share your question. Don't hesitate to ask question. Misalnya masih ada yang belum jelas ya. Tapi kalian coba ulang-ulang dulu. Focus on this part ya. Sebanyak mungkin pola yang bisa kalian kenali untuk tiap nomor. Okay, until you find the pattern. Okay, so I think that's it for today. Stay safe, healthy, and happy everyone. We will continue later for kita lanjutkan number 16 to 14. Thank you. Have a good day. Assalamualaikum.